Hey, blockchain users. So I was a little bit sick for the past few days, and that's why I didn't make any videos. I don't know if you care about these things, but I mentioned it quickly because we all have patterns. There's not just the market that does that. And for me, I have my own patterns. And when I'm sick, I know that I lose money in the market. So I don't want to lose money. So instead, I'm just like, nah, I'm going to stay away from the market. And I know I'm out of tune right now. And I'm mentioning it because you are probably just like me. You have your own patterns and you need to understand yourself so you become a better trader. Do more of the things that make you make money and do less of the things that make you lose money. So that's my mini lesson for today. Let's look into the chart. So you remember how I was like, we can remove that 0.5 fib level from the chart, and yeah, that aged like milk because we are back to testing it. Now, things like that happen. The short term changes a lot, and it can change quickly. That's all right. Now, the big picture that we are in a bull run and things are looking bullish is still in play. Why is that? Well, if you remember on what was it, Friday the 6th of September? Yeah. So we saw a big spike in volume here and we began to move up. Now, back then I was saying that a lot of smart money was buying here because there was a lot of fear, the volume was high, and what do you know, in hindsight, I was correct. And now the same pattern is happening again. With my very straight line, let me actually redraw this again. Now we can see that there are two spike in volume, one here, work, big bounce, and we got one yesterday. What this means is the same. We are seeing smart money getting involved. They are probably buying behind the scene while the masses are being fearful. In fact, if we bring up our crypto fear and greed index, we can see that there was a lot of fear in the past few days, and I expect it to be the same today. And sadly, when there is high fear in the market, this means a good opportunity to be buying in. A lot of suffering is happening in the world right now, making many of us feel sadness, anger, or fear. Now, as traders, how are we supposed to handle that? Are we supposed just to be robots that just buy the dip? Now, this is something I've heard a lot in the past of people being like, "Oh, how can you be buying this dip when there's just so much bad things happening?" Now, the way I handle it, and I don't know if there's a good or a bad thing, but I handle it by having like two separate boxes in my head. One that's just for the purpose of trading. I do my trades and I focus on that because I have a purpose to change my own world, my own life. And there's this different box where I live whatever emotions that I have to live by looking at these. And I hope this can be useful to you because it helped me as a trader just to really understand that I don't need to like mix these things together. You don't have you're not forced to do that. You can be, an emotionless robot when trading and then just go back to these things and just be yourself. That's totally fair. In any case, do the thing with the YouTube buttons and I will see you next time.